Jai Jinendra. My name is Kshama Jain, and today we are going to discuss about the three jewels of Jainism. So the three jewels of Jainism are, first one is Samyak Darshan, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Charitrya. So the meaning of the word Samyak is from Prakriti, which means true, right, rational, or logical. So, depending on the situation, Samyak can be logical, rational, true, or right. So, the Kannada meaning of the word Sama means correct, or Hindi word Sahi means also correct. So, depending on the situation, these two words we use it for either true, correct, or logical or rational. So, the same way, the word samyak is also used in different ways in Jaina literature. Now, coming back to the three jewels, samyak darshana. So, as we know, samyak means right or correct, and darshana means vision, perception, or faith. So, it totally depends on the context where it is used in Jaina literature. Now, the total meaning of this word Samyak Darshana means before committing to anything, Jains must question and seek right or correct reality. So, let's look at this picture. So, what does it say? So many times we hear so many things about people saying so many things. Should we believe in that? No. Never believe in what you are told, as it could be lie or maybe half truth. Hence, avoid gossip, preconception, superstition that get in the way of seeing things clearly. You cannot achieve Samyak Darshan unless you are determined to find the truth and distinguish it from false and wrong. So, this is all about Samyak Darshan. The second jewel of Jainism is Samyak Jnana. Again, Samyak means right or correct, and Jnana is knowledge. So, acquiring right knowledge and sufficient knowledge, idea of anything around us is nothing but Samyak Jnana. So, as per Jainism, no knowledge is equal to no soul. Intuition itself is the first step towards knowledge. Intuition, Kannada meaning or Hindi meaning is Antaprajne. So there are two types of jnanas. One is complete and another one is limited. There are 14 stages of spiritual progress in Samyak Jnana. So they are Mithyatva, Sasadhana, Mishra, and it goes way up to Ayoga Kevlin. So the English meaning of all these is ignorance. The next stage is confused, mixed, awakening, levos, and it goes way down to moksha. So which is the final stage for the Jain way of life, and that is also called as liberation of soul. So these all stages can be defined like this: ignorance, confused, mixed, then awakening, then levos, starting ascetic life, self discipline, and all the other stages, the 14 stages. So at 14th stage, one would be attaining moksha. So these are the 14 stages which I have tried to simplify for all the kids. So the last jewel of Jainism is Samyak Charitrya, or the right behavior or conduct. Living life according to Jain ethical rules is nothing but right behavior or conduct. So let's see which are the ethical rules of Jainism. The first one is ahimsa or the non-violence. Satya means being truthful. Achaurya is non-stealing. And Shila Vrata is maintaining purity with body. Aparigraha means limiting one's possessions. So Jains believe that a person who has right faith, right knowledge, that is Samyak Jnana and Samyak Darshana, will be motivated to achieve right conduct. That is, if the person has Samyak Darshana and Samyak Jnana, the person will be naturally motivated to have Samyak Charitra. So all of you, do you see this structure? How strong it is? So there are three pillars. So one pillar is here. Let's think that this is Samyak Jnana. And the second one is Samyak Darshan. And this is Samyak Charitra. So these three pillars are holding this successful structure. Same thing with human being also. For a successful human being like this, the three pillars are Samyak Jnan, Samyak Darshan and Samyak Charitra. Let's say one of the pillars are being taken. So this is what happens to a human being. We can use these three jewels in our daily life. For example, never believe without proper knowledge, never give your ideas or opinion without proper view, have moral lifestyle, do not steal, do not harm any living being, be truthful, increase your knowledge by using books and other simple means of knowledge. So these are the simple truths of life. No one has to be Jain by birth to follow all these. And those Jains who are by birth and still do not follow these and indulge in activities like robbery, smoking, gossiping are not true Jains. So, at last, which step have you reached today? Thank you.